Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can exchange or resell our FIFA World Cup ticket. So open your browser, type in transfer your FIFA World Cup ticket, then you will see ticket transfer by FIFA.com. Go ahead and click onto this link. As you do that, you will get to its article by FIFA and it says ticket transfer. So first of all, it will lead you to this FIFA.com.tickets. Click onto this link. You will see a page like this. In here, you're going to have to go for marketplace that says sell/exchange now. Now, as you do that, you will get to a page where you will be required to sign in. So go ahead and enter your credentials, sign into your account. And as you do that, what you have to do is you're going to have to select resell or exchange from the top page of the menu, but you will only see it once you have signed in. And likewise, you're going to have to select resell or exchange, and then you will see your ticket listed. Select view my tickets. Lastly, select transfer tickets. If you would want this article, you can directly get it from this FIFA World Cup right here and search for this article. So guys, you're going to have to follow the on-screen prompt and then simply exchange or maybe resell your tickets. Thank you for watching.